Hello guys, this is Gab Gameplay. Welcome to my new account in Last Day on Earth Survival. And this is my new account because I lost the main account that I used in our last year vlog. But now I'm going to redo everything again. And as you can see, I'm in front of this delivery guy. And this is my delivery tickets that I attained from the that I gained from the last days that I'll play this game. Sorry for the inactivity because I need to fix my lost account. Oh, and I'm going to show you what I have. That this is my rewards for the past days. A full tactical armor and some Christmas armor, and that's all. But first, I'm going to thank you for your support last year. And now I'm going to purchase what I see. I think this is a gas tank because I need it for the chopper that we will I think assemble later on. But first, I wanna thank you for everything. Thank you. Oh, okay. But before that, we need to fix this Iron Warrior chapter. Okay. I might later play it later. Okay. And that's for now. I'm just going to update you guys for what I have right now. Oh, and also I wanted to notify you everyone for the destroyed base that I have right now. And I have some and I recently acquired the protector device. If you are in my community, you could see I posted this protector that is from Genesis. But now I'm going to put this gas tank here because I need to unlock the Iron Warrior chapter and I'm not finished yet from self defense. So that's all for now. Goodbye.